Welcome back. Sorry for the noise back there. The mini split is running. Just a quick tip on how to repair a leaking hose bib. This hose bib was leaking when I would turn it on. It would kind of spray out the middle right here every time I turned it on. When I turned it off, it was fine. It wouldn't leak. So that told me the washer that's back in there was doing its job. It's this packing behind this nut here. I think that was the problem. So what I did off camera is I just took my channel locks here and I just tightened that down like this. Because what I think happens is when you exercise, you turn this on, that nut slowly loosens back there and it just starts leaking out. So if that doesn't fix it, you're probably gonna have to replace that, I think it's called a packing washer in there. But that fixed mine. I installed this probably 15 or more years ago, and I just did a little tighten on it, and it just got, over the years, it just got a little worse and worse. And I just tightened that nut and we're good to go. So just a quick tip today. Hey, how do you like my dueling hose bib? This is for my well. This is city water, so that's why that's there. But just a quick tip today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.